Hi everybody, and welcome back to the hardreset.info channel. In today's video I'm going to answer the question, why won't your device SOUNDCORE Select to as charge? The first case is that your speaker might be broken, but let's now check the other things. Try changing cables, because your cable might be broken. Try charging your different device with this cable and check if it's working. If it does, something may be wrong with the port. Try changing, of course, the power chargers, power adapters, power bricks, cables, etc. If you have tried anything and it doesn't work still, you have to do a hard reset. To do a hard reset, push the Bluetooth button and plus button at the same time for at least 4 seconds. Like that. Now everything should be fine. If it doesn't work still, you have to contact the device support because your device may be broken. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day.